Hi everyone, it's Debbie again. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you some things I picked up at the thrift store. I got some things at the Salvation Army thrift store and some things at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. So the first one I'm going to show you is this one. This one says Gateway to Excellence, St. Louis, Missouri. And it's an actual print by John W. Zielman, and it says 309 of 400, and then it has a bio of the artist on the back. It came from Ye Old Frame Seller in New Baden, Illinois. I did a Google search to see if I could find him, but I actually never came up with anything, so I'm not real sure why he doesn't come up. But my grandkids were born in Missouri, not in St. Louis, but in Missouri, and I just thought it's framed really beautifully. It has beautiful mats in it, and I just thought that would make a nice addition to their artwork. So that was the first thing I found. And then this one, if you can even see it, because it's so huge. This I also got at the Salvation Army, and if you've ever done any crafting, you know that this netting and ribbon is so expensive, and it's huge. It's just huge, this wreath. It was $3 at the Salvation Army, so because, sorry, $3.99. Because I make all my wreaths, I went ahead and got this. It has a base on it now with all of this, ribbon and stuff. And I think I'm going to make an Easter wreath out of it. And that's that one. And then this was 99 cents. And it's metal. I don't think it's wrought iron, but it's metal. And it has roses on it. I'm not particularly thrilled with the color, so I'll probably paint that. That was 99 cents. Excuse me. This I also got there. It's a real heavy glass jar. It was $1.99. It's mosaic. Looks like it was done with clear glass, or well, green glass really. It was $1.99, and the lid is dented a bit, and I'm not particularly thrilled with the color, but I like the texture of it, so I thought if I painted it and then distressed it with another color, it would bring out that texture and it would be really pretty. So there's that one. And this I got there. Nothing special. It just, I think it was a vase that flowers came in because it has a florist's tag on it. It was 99 cents, but I'm going to use this and this plastic tray, and I think this was 99 cents and this was 99 cents. I just want to make a stand with it, so and it's going to be painted, so I just want some like a centerpiece for my table. So this big platter, it's plastic, and then this vase. So then I got Doris's Kitchen. It's a crock. It's very heavy. It was 49 cents, and of course, I don't want Doris's Kitchen on there, so this one's going to be painted, and I want to use it in my kitchen, so there's that one. And I don't know why, but I like tarnished silver. This was 49 cents, and it says International Silver Content silver plated. So it doesn't say anything else except made in China. So I bought that for 49 cents. I liked it. So I'll use that somewhere in my decorating. Then my granddaughter, she constantly asking me for a jewelry box. And most of the ones I see are not in very good shape. This one's in pretty good shape. It was $1.99, and I'm gonna paint it. It has a drawer that opens here. These don't open. And then it has that, so I'll have to clean it up for her. And I might, she's really big into unicorns, so I might do something with unicorns on it. But I'm gonna do that for my granddaughter. And this was just a frame. I think what I'm gonna do with it, it was 99 cents. It has the glass. I think I'm gonna do mercury glass mirror effect on it so I can use it as a mirror and paint the frame, because I'm not wowed with the frame. But excuse me, I have a cold. So I think that's what I'm going to do with this one. And the same with this one was $1.99, and I love this one. It has, you know, it can stand like this or it can hang, and the frame is silver and it's textured, it's engraved. I'm going to do a silver effect mirror for this for the bathroom, because I have a Paris theme in my downstairs bathroom, because my granddaughter's name is Paris. So I think that this would look really pretty in there. So I'm going to use that one in there. And then I got this, which I just think is so cool. I don't know what it's made out of. It sounds like some kind of resin or something. It was $1.99. And I actually like the patina on it because it has like a rose gold color. And I thought it would be beautiful for Christmas. And I'm using some rose gold on my mantle. So I don't know. I just really like this one. I don't think I'm going to do anything to it. It originally came from Marshall's, but the tag is missing. So I don't know how much it originally was, but I got it for $1.99. And it's just really pretty. Then this was from Habitat for Humanity Restore. I have no idea what that was or what it was used for, but I thought it was cute. It's made out of metal. I don't like the brown color, but I am going to, I'm thinking I'm going to do something with it, like either spring or Christmas related. I just think it would be really pretty with a bird and some snow, and I don't know. It's either going to be a Christmas project or a spring project, and this was $1. And then they had all of these candlesticks for 25 cents. And I have no candlesticks, which I could get at the Dollar Tree, but there were all of these for 25 cents a piece. So, and they're, you know, staggered heights and stuff, which is pretty cool. So I will paint those and, you know, use them all year round, really, depending on how I paint them. I think, I'm not sure, probably paint with white and maybe distress it a bit, and then I can use them all year. But I got all of those, and I liked it that they were staggered in height. And what would be nice is for these two, if I could find hurricanes for them, but haven't found that yet. So that was the last of my haul. Hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe and hit the notify bell and share if you know people that like to see thrifting videos. I'm going to do a bunch of DIY videos, making Christmas decorations and whatnot. So if you're interested, it would be wonderful if you would subscribe.